Hi, welcome to my channel Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'll be cooking Hor Mok Pla, the Thai dish, similar to the Malaysia Otak. Today I'll be using mackerel fish. I have 5 big pieces of mackerel fish, Ikan Tinggiri. I have Thai red curry paste, spring onion, cilantro. This is a sweet basil. I'm using 2 stalks of lemongrass, 1 chilli. This one is Chinese cabbage. I have already cut into smaller pieces. This is the Kailan. I only use the leaf, and Kaffir leaves. Okay. Normally Hor Mok Pla, in Thailand they will wrap it into the banana leaf basket. We make into basket, but today I do not have the banana leaf. I will just put it in the steaming plate, and I will just steam it on the plate. And let's prepare it. First, I'm going to salt my fish first. Use very little salt to put on the fish. Turn it around. Alright, I'm going to put the fish one side. I'm using about 4 tablespoons of red curry paste, 1 box of coconut. I will use only 3/4 or half a box. This is very thick. And mix it. I'll slice the Kaffir leaves into thin slices. So put them in, stir it. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Okay, this is the red curry paste ready. So I'm going to do the mixture now. For this leaf, right, I'm going to use one or two to put it as a bait to steam my fish, but the rest I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. So I'm going to put the vegetable here, then I put the Chinese cabbage in, basil leaf, spring onions and cilantro, lemongrass, chilli. So mix this together. Oh, use this hand better. So mix all this vegetable together. Now I'm going to put this aside. We'll be using this. I add on a little bit more coconut. So I'll put the fish in here to coat it with the paste. Done. And the balance of this, I'm going to put it here. So I'm breaking 3 eggs. Half teaspoon of salt, and then I'm putting in the remaining of this red curry paste in here, and I need to stir this. Okay, once it's done, I'm going to transfer this vegetable into this plate. Spread it. Just spread them over. Then I will place the fish on top. Then we're going to steam it. Okay, I have the hot boiling water here. Here, and I'm putting my fish on top. cover with the plate so the steam will not drop into the fish, so it will not, the taste will not run. So I'm going to keep it steamed for 20 minutes. Okay, I'm going to remove plate, and I am putting in the coconut milk, coconut cream. Close it back and continue to steam. Thumbs up. So it's cooked. Oh my goodness, looks so yummy.